I'm Rebecca Vnuk, the editor for Reference and Collection Management at Booklist magazine, and prior to that I was a Reader's Advisory Librarian. So the Reader's Advisory Librarian in me has chosen 50 Shades of Grey to read. And I picked this because as a Reader's Advisory Librarian, I firmly believe that everyone has the right to read anything they want to. There's no such thing as a bad book as long as someone out there enjoys it. So here is 50 Shades of Grey for your listening pleasure. He strolls slowly toward me, confident, sexy eyes blazing, and my heart begins to pound. My blood's pumping through my body. Desire, thick and hot, pools in my belly. He stands in front of me, staring down into my eyes. He's so freaking hot. "Let's get this jacket off, shall we?" he says softly, and takes hold of the lapels and gently slides my jacket off my shoulders. He places it on the chair. "Do you have any idea how much I want you, Anna Steele?" he says. My breath hitches. I cannot take my eyes off of him. He reaches up and gently runs his fingers down my cheek to my chin. "Do you have any idea what I'm going to do to you?" he adds, caressing my chin. The muscles inside the deepest, darkest part of me clench in the most delicious fashion. The pain is so sweet and sharp I want to close my eyes, but I'm hypnotized by his eyes staring fervently into mine. Leaning down, he kisses me. His lips are demanding, firm and slow, molding mine. He starts unbuttoning my shirt while he places feather-like kisses across my jaw, my chin, and the corners of my mouth. Slowly, he peels it off me and lets it fall to the floor. He stands back and gazes at me. "Oh, Anna," he breathes, "you have the most beautiful skin, pale and flawless. I want to kiss every single inch of it." I flush. "Oh my! I will do anything he wants." He grasps my hair tie, pulls it free, and gasps as my hair cascades down around my shoulders. "I like brunettes," he murmurs.